This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Okay, next we're going to talk about day parting. So day parting allows you to run campaigns on a specific day and time. And this is a must when you want to get the most out of the campaign budget and not waste your money on worst converting parts of the day. So in order to make this optimization more convenient, Zeropark allows you to choose one of the following options. First, you can choose the same time zone in the account. So this is a default option. The campaign time zone is set to the time zone of your account. Second, you can also change it to the campaign custom time zone. So you can schedule your campaign to run on a specific day and time in the specific time zone. This allows you to save your time when it comes to calculating your audience's time zone that might be different than the time zone of your Zeropark account. So if you target any geo other than the one you're in, you should select this option and adjust your day parting settings. So you can always select specific time periods to run your campaign by editing the campaign settings. And in order to do so, you're going to want to perform the following steps. So in Zeropark, in the campaign edit form, you're going to go down to the day parting section. And then you're going to select show. And now you have the option to choose between the same time zone as an account or the campaign custom time zone. So then you will need to specify certain hours or days of the week when you want your ad to be shown. In order to specify the hours for the entire day, you can select this top icon. In order to specify the entire day for all hours, you can do this icon. If you'd like to just do one particular hour for one particular day, then you can do so individually, and you can customize your options that way.